Welcome back to Diligent Act of Love for Haiti's YouTube channel. Diligent Act of Love for Haiti is an organization that is helping with education in Haiti. We are supporting the most vulnerable children in Haiti whose parents are facing difficult time to send their children to school or to keep them at school. Diligent Act of Love for Haiti was born after Hurricane Matthew devastated Haiti in 2016. A charity organization, Diligent Act of Love for Haiti, was born at that time. I remember sitting on my bed when I see all the devastation, all the pictures on TV and video of how devastated Haiti was. And I was asking God, what can we do? What can we do? What can I do to help out? Then it came to me to organize Caribbean dinner so we can do a hurricane relief for Haiti. I call certain friends who answer me positively, so that's how we start our first fundraising, for Haiti. I had to host that Caribbean dinner to raise the funds for that hurricane relief. The dinner was a success. It was very successful. People bring some other people to give clothes, shoes, food, and many people come to the dinner. It was decided that we will continue to be a source of support for the children and their family in Haiti when we find out that many children around January and February didn't go to school. So ever since, I have cooked Haitian dishes, and with the help of other friends from the Caribbean who support with other Caribbean food from the Caribbean,